So here we will discuss about the moment of inertia of a rectangle. So moment of inertia of a rectangle. So here we will find out the moment of inertia of a rectangle about its center of gravity. So first let's draw a rectangle. This is the rectangle, let B, and its height is h. So we have to find out the moment of inertia about its CG. So we know where the center of gravity of this rectangle lie. So it is at the midpoint of breadth and height. So at this point the center of gravity of this rectangle will lie. So we have to calculate the moment of inertia about this point. So let's draw the axis about CG. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So first we will calculate the moment of inertia about x-axis. So to do this, we have to divide this rectangle into thin strip. So let this is a thin strip. So width is b and thickness is dy. So area of this thin strip will be b into dy. So we have to find out the moment of inertia of this thin strip about this axis. So let the distance between the thin strip and this axis is y. So what will be the area moment? Area moment equal to y into b dy. So what will be the area moment of moment? That is equal to y into b dy, that is y square b dy. So we know that area moment equal to moment of inertia, and that is about this is about CG and about x-axis, that is equal to y square into b dy. So this is for the thin strip. So what will be the total moment of inertia? This rectangle is the combination of all these thin strips. So we have to integrate it to find out the total moment of inertia of this section about this axis. So the total height is h. So from here to here it is minus h by 2, here to here plus h by 2. So we have to find out the moment of inertia of this rectangle. We have to integrate it from where to here? From minus h by 2 to plus h by 2. So ICGX equal to it is equal to y square integration is yq by 3, that is equal to b yq by 3. What is the limit of this integration? Minus h by 2 to plus h by 2. We will take b by 3 outside. So b by 3, we will put this limit. So h by 2 whole cube minus h by 2 whole cube. So b by 3 it will be at outside. So h cube by 8 minus cube is minus, so minus h cube by 8. So b by 3 minus plus, so into 2h cube by 8. So 2 8 got cancelled, so we'll get 4. So bh cube by 12. Similarly, that is equal to ICGX equal to bh cube by 12. Similarly, if we will calculate the moment of inertia about this axis, we will get it at ICGY equal to HBQ by 12. So ICGX equal to BHQ by 12 and ICGY equal to HBQ by 12. This is the moment of inertia of the rectangle about its CG. So these two formulas are very important. You have to remember these two formulas.